Did you love playing with Lego or Meccano as a kid? I sure did, and my favorite creations were always houses. What if designing and building your dream home today was just as fun and simple? Welcome to EcoKit, a revolutionary building system designed for flexibility, efficiency, and sustainability. EcoKit is more than just a house, it's a system, a prefabricated, component based construction method designed for efficiency and adaptability. Our advanced 3D library allows us to explore endless design possibilities, ensuring a home that fits your needs and site conditions perfectly. We have created a library of components that easily fit together and lock in place for superior structural integrity. They are interchangeable, allowing for diverse shapes and layouts. Our system includes components for attachment to concrete slabs or installation on piers and pilings with a fully insulated subfloor system. It features beams in multiple lengths, posts and columns of different heights, joints and corners at varying angles. Additionally, we provide standardized sheeting for bracing and have developed our own version of an I-joist, aptly named Ply Joist. Watch as we take a structure from concept to reality in a matter of minutes. Using our interactive 3D library, we can explore, configure, and visualize your home in real time. Each component is designed for seamless assembly, meaning less waste, faster build times, and fewer headaches. Here's how it all comes together. Our precision cut components fit seamlessly, making assembly faster and more efficient. With the right planning, an EcoKit home can be weatherproof within days, cutting construction time significantly compared to traditional builds. With EcoKit, you're not limited to a single design. Our modular components allow for a variety of shapes and layouts, adapting to different landscapes, climates, and personal preferences. From compact cabins to spacious family homes, your imagination is the only limit. EcoKit isn't just a concept, it's a proven system. Take a look at some of the stunning homes we designed for our clients using the EcoKit system. Each one uniquely tailored to its owner's vision while maintaining EcoKit's core values of sustainability, efficiency, and adaptability. If you are ready to explore what's possible with EcoKit, visit our website and let's start designing today. Let's build smarter, faster, and more sustainably together.